Ooh, hey, Facebook. So I'm doing this one recorded from the job site. One of the questions I have is, how is it that water from our lawns and from the ground in the wintertime when it melts, the snow, how do we have it to where it doesn't come through our concrete? Because concrete's porous and, water could get through there. Well, there is a code for that. I'm going to switch you around here if I can. Oh, yes I can't. I'm go ahead and switch it around this way, but you see that line right there, that black line? This is a foundation that hasn't been buried yet. Let's go down inside and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And you see those are footers right down here. This is your footer. This is what supports the entire weight of the roof of the house. And what they do is they come in, and every new house is required to have this, and all the old houses that are having water damage taking place inside the foundation are getting this done. What they'll do is they'll dig a trench. As you can see, this is a trench that we're in right here, going right up to the window well there. That's going to be buried by dirt. But what they do is they roll like a tar on the outside, and this is an oil-based tar, and what that does is it repels water from coming in. And as you can see, it's painted to the level that they're going to go the dirt, so the dirt will actually be just barely underneath that level. This one's kind of on a hill, so it's kind of going slanted up, but that's how they keep water from coming in through the foundation from the ground and any type of sprinklers or anything, melted snow or anything like that, any type of water that would get into the ground. That's how they prevent it and weatherproof it. That was a question I had by one of the customers. It's kind of plumbing related, not really. We have had some problems in the last couple, well, this year especially. In the earlier part of the year, we had a lot of problems with groundwater coming up through people's crawl spaces. But what people don't realize is that when this form is this footer's put in, that all it is compacted ground underneath it, and then the concrete's poured on top of the compacted ground. So if it's a crawl space, the water will come in underneath, and then there's usually dirt or peat